Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread garlic, only way. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F, slice the loaf, and soften butter while mincing 3 garlic cloves. Mix garlic with 4 tablespoons, soften butter and chopped parsley, then spread evenly. Arrange bread on a baking sheet and bake until golden and crisp. Serve warm with a sprinkle of salt and extra parsley for freshness. Warm and friendly, this step makes the flavor. Soften 4 tablespoons butter until easily spreadable, then finely mince 3 garlic cloves for even flavor. Stir minced garlic into the butter with 2 tablespoons chopped parsley and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust, remembering garlic intensifies when baked. Use immediately to keep brightness, or chill briefly if the butter is too soft to spread cleanly on the bread. This part is satisfying and quick. Spread the garlic butter on the cut side of the bread, or on both sides for extra indulgence, making sure to cover edges. Place on a lined baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees F for about 10 minutes until the surface is golden and crisp. If you want more color, broil for 1 to 2 minutes while watching closely. Let rest briefly before slicing and serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.